The Zonesun ZS-JG25 is an automatic V-type tube cutting machine designed for trimming long spray pump tubes with high precision. Operating at 15 to 25 pcs/min, it uses a vibratory bowl for automatic tube feeding, a gripping transfer mechanism for stable positioning, and a V-shaped blade set to create clean, consistent V-notches at the tube end. With its compact structure, automated workflow, and reliable cutting accuracy, it is ideal for production lines requiring stable, repeatable tube processing.